Get ready to discover the truth behind one of the most misunderstood breeds, the American Bully. Contrary to misconceptions, American Bullies are not aggressive. In fact, they're known for their gentle and affectionate demeanor. These loyal companions thrive on human companionship and make fantastic family pets, often forming strong bonds with children. Despite their muscular appearance, American Bullies are surprisingly agile and athletic. From standard to pocket sizes and a range of coat colors, American Bullies come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own unique charm. So next time you encounter an American Bully, remember these real facts and embrace the love and loyalty they have to offer. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening insights into the world of dogs.